Hello guys, welcome to the Mexican food channel. Today we're making spicy barbecue ribs, a perfect recipe to make for the holidays.
For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of paprika. You will also need a 2-pound slab of St. Louis style pork ribs and barbecue sauce of your liking. Now let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat your oven to 150 degrees. Add all the condiments into a bowl and mix together and set aside while we work on the meat. For your meat, pack both sides of the slabs until dry. Then, using a sharp knife, remove the membrane. Ours is already done. Next, you're going to add the rub into both sides of the meat. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then you're going to place the slabs meaty side up on a wire rack on aluminum foil. You're going to cook for about an hour and 30 minutes. Then you're going to rub the barbecue sauce on the slabs and increase the oven to 150 degrees and cook for about another 35 minutes. going to rub more barbecue sauce and let them sit for another 10 to 15 minutes and serve with more barbecue sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious dish. Hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes. Remember guys, this is a great holiday dish. Stay tuned for a green bean recipe.